Mabuhay and blessed day. Welcome to Kavanah Haven Resort.
Kavanah Haven sits in the mountains of Mindanao, Philippines, and invites you to take things slow. Here, life is peaceful and unhurried. Each morning, mist drifts over the hills, birds sing in the trees, and gentle light filters through the pines. The air here is cool and fresh. It makes for a peaceful setting that helps you relax and unwind quickly. Spread across 15 hectares in the Bukidnon Highlands, Kavanah Haven gives you something rare. Room to breathe, reflect, and focus on what matters. Whether you visit for rest, connection, spiritual renewal, or to lead a retreat, this place encourages you to slow down and be present. Kavanah comes from Hebrew and means intention of the heart. This idea shapes everything here. You'll notice it in the warmth of the people, the peaceful setting, and the thoughtful design of each space. Nature isn't just scenery, it's central to your experience. Kavanah Haven is a peaceful retreat center created to offer beauty, quiet, care, and space to think. The retreat follows the New Start philosophy, a faith-based approach to health that focuses on nutrition, exercise, water, sunlight, temperance, air, rest, and trust in God. This simple yet powerful combination helps balance your mind, body, and spirit, guiding each day towards peace, clarity, and renewal. Kavanah Haven welcomes everyone, but its main goal remains consistent: to provide space for meaningful connections. It's a great place for personal retreats, faith-based gatherings, wellness programs, family trips, school and youth retreats, and corporate team getaways. Retreat leaders will find something special here, an environment that naturally supports your work. The landscape encourages presence, the atmosphere invites openness, and the slower pace helps your group reconnect with themselves. Their dedicated staff is ready to help you plan, organize, and run your retreat activities. Whether you need help with scheduling, group events, room setup, or technical support, they will help ensure everything goes smoothly so you can focus on your group's experience. If you're visiting on your own, this is a place to step away from the noise so you can take a pause, rest, and spend time listening to yourself. Kavanah Haven is special not only for what's been built, but also for what's been preserved. The resort blends into the natural landscape, surrounded by green hills, open skies, cool mountain air, and peaceful quiet. Rather than standing apart from nature, the resort blends into it. This harmony shapes your experience. You'll notice it in the quiet mornings, mist over the valleys, the sound of the wind in the trees, and the wide open views that help you relax. There's a real sense of calm here. Whether you walk the grounds at sunrise, pause at a scenic spot, or sit quietly as the light changes over the hills, the environment becomes part of your retreat. At Kavanah Haven, your room sets the stage for your rest. Each space is designed for simplicity, comfort, and calm. After a day of activities, the rooms feel clean and peaceful. You can choose from spacious villas, cozy nature pods, or the unique Ark House, each offering a different way to enjoy the mountain setting. The villas are open and peaceful with beautiful views and a relaxed atmosphere. They're perfect for couples, families, friends, or solo guests who want additional space to unwind. The camp pods bring you closer to nature. They're cozy, comfortable, and memorable, especially under the Bukidnon night sky. The Arch House combines simple warmth and modern comfort in a bright, open space that feels both safe and inspiring. No matter which option you choose, the invitation is to sleep deeply and feel surrounded by peace. At Kavanah Haven, the food is as awe-inspiring as the views. Dining at the restaurant reflects the same care you'll find throughout the rest of the resort. Meals at Kavanah are thoughtfully prepared, colorful, and fulfilling. They're meant to refresh you with healthy options that satisfy many tastes. The food matches the retreat experience. It's comforting, generous, and meant to be enjoyed at a relaxed pace. How you share meals matters as much as what's served. Meals become moments to connect, like enjoying a slow breakfast with the mountain views. You might sip coffee quietly in the cool morning air or have lively conversation after a day of learning and reflection. Here, meals are never rushed. Eating is part of reconnecting with yourself. Your days at Kavanah Haven can be quiet or active depending on what you need. All around the property, you'll find spaces for both solitude and gathering. There are scenic trails for walking and hiking. Pine-lined paths lead to hidden corners. Hilltop views are perfect for sunrise and sunset. There are quiet outdoor spaces for meditation, prayer, or rest. If you're looking for more activity and adventure, outdoor rides and nature activities are a fun way to explore and enjoy the views. You can also enjoy the resort's gathering spaces, event areas, gazebo, pool, and evening bonfire where guests come together under the stars as the day ends, sharing warmth and gratitude. This is what makes Kavanah Haven special for retreats. It gives you space to grow personally and to share your experiences with others. If you're looking for a retreat venue in the Philippines with natural beauty, caring, hospitality, and a setting that truly supports transformation, Kavanah Haven stands out. It's perfect for small groups who value presence, for retreat leaders who care about their space, and for guests ready to step away from distractions. Kavanah Haven is more than a resort. It's an invitation to pause, breathe, and reconnect with what matters. You'll leave feeling lighter, clearer, and more at peace. Whether you're planning a retreat, looking for a peaceful mountain escape, or just want to slow down, Kavanah Haven welcomes you. If you're interested, click below to submit an inquiry. The Kavanah Haven staff will answer any questions you have about dates, what's included, and other details. At Retreat Finder, we feature unique retreats from around the world. If you'd like to see more like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And when it's time to return to you, find your next retreat on retreatfinder.com.
Thank you for visiting Kavanah Haven Resort and have a blessed day.